This is the next contained Tantrum, and we're gonna play Cat Mario, as you can obviously read. And this is gonna be great, so let's start this. Boosh. Take that. Boosh. Oh shit, come on. Yeah. Oh, don't touch it, you fucking. Oh, fuck. Don't jump there. Go! Frig! Sick. God damn it! Oh shit, what's this? Come here. Fuck me. Right, so I'm assuming this might be my last life. Shit, don't touch that. Fuck you! Okay, so we're going to the negatives. I should have known that. Don't touch that, fucking dickhead! Alright, so go to the edge. Jump up. Don't touch this. Jump. Very nice. Oh crap! God! This game is actually really bullshit. Okay, wait for this one to drop down. Then we'll jump over it like this and we'll fucking be okay. Got the checkpoint, you. That's it. Sorry. Alright, checkpoint. Love them. Don't you fucking idiot! Boosh. Alright, level 1 done. Wait, shit! What the fuck just happened there? What? Oh, fuck, this game is bullcrap. Who the hell made this? Obviously some freaking Chinaman. Don't need to be racist or anything, but fuck, your games are hard. I was about to make it to the very top. Boosh! Oh shit, what's that? Fuck off! God damn it! Wait, am I able to jump over it? I didn't fucking touch him! Hey guys! Help G-Fusion get a head start into the internet community. If you'd like, simply subscribe, like, comment or favourite. We don't really mind. And if you'd also like, follow us on Twitter where we will regularly post exclusive content and behind the scenes images and stuff if you'd like to see that. Yeah.